Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the radio, audio, fuse relays are located. Okay, on GMC Terrain, that generation here guys, from 2010 to 2017. Stay with us, we'll talk about that. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and even if it's a good fuse, we'll explain what else can cause it not to work and how to fix it. Now, if you need to buy guys any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, the radio, also known as audio, fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them, we'll show you on that generation GMC guys. Okay, GMC Terrain right here. Now quick advice from us, there will be some hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you a lot of money. We need to go ahead and open the passenger door guys. When we do that, come to the passenger side footwell compartment. On the side of the center console, if we zoom in, you see you have that cover that you pull on the bottom, it will open, and underneath we have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, you wonder which fuses, relays we need to check. You may have up to 2 fuses, we'll talk about that, we'll talk about the relays as well. You may just have 1 depending on which year and model, okay, you have as well guys. But what we'll recommend to check now, maybe even up to 3. Some of you may have fuse number 5. If you don't have it, it's okay. Okay, but you're going to have for sure guys, okay, fuse number 9. That's the main radio infotainment system fuse. But you need to check fuse number 31, which is the sound amplifier, and all that stuff work together guys, sound amplifier with the radio system. Now if the radio infotainment system, audio system does not work, what we recommend sometimes, even if those are good fuses, pull the fuses, let the system sit without them for 10 minutes, plug them back in, see if that fixes the problem. Sometimes I will reset it. If that doesn't fix it, okay, we'll have a video why radio infotainment system does not work, okay, on the channel that will teach you what you need to check, how to diagnose it and all that stuff. But always start with the fuses, okay, because it could be quite simple fix. You don't have any relays, you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses that you will guys need to check. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.